Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and today we have a new version of the Firefox web browser. Mozilla's Firefox browser is now at version 74 starting today, March the 10th, 2020. And what you can do to check out if it's available or if it's there, simply go to the menu on the upper right corner, go into Help, and here go into About Firefox. This will update your browser if you're not already at 74. It's important to update because it does have quite a few security fixes, and you always want to stay secure, of course, on the web. It's very important. So anything new in the Firefox 74 browser, here are a little bit of things that is actually happening. First of all, under the logins and password settings, you now have improved login info. So when you go here, say you go to logins and passwords, you have something called reverse alpha. Reverse alpha is simply a fancy way of saying you can actually search or have it sort A to Z or Z to A. So it's simply there. So on the upper left, you'll have name A to Z or Z to A. This is reversed alpha. So this is one of the first things. So if you want to have them reversed in the alphabetical order, that's one of the things that is changing. Now, if you go to your bookmarks and open the bookmarks on the computer, one of the things about bookmarks is that you will have the ability to basically, so here let's go to the bookmarks. So bookmarks, and go into show all bookmarks. So of course you can import stuff, and here you have the ability in the import and backup. Now when you import from another browser, it gives you two choices. The new Microsoft Edge is now available, and the legacy Microsoft Edge. I believe Legacy was already there, but now they added the new Edge that you can also import the data from. So this is another interesting thing if you want to simply import directly from Edge. You can remove add-ons that are installed by external applications without often, you wanting to have them, of course. So now when you go to the add-ons page, if you have some add-ons that have been actually installed by any other program that you don't really want, you will actually have the ability to uninstall them easily. This was, possible, but it's not always. Third-party add-ons are not always easy to uninstall. Well, now it's going to be easier than ever. There's an extension that is unique to Firefox. So if you are on Firefox and you go on Facebook, there's an extension that will let you actually go on Facebook and make sure that you're not being tracked everywhere. It's called Facebook Container. So it basically will contain Facebook into an isolation, if you want, which means that it can't see what you're doing with your Firefox browser. This is an extension, so you have to go to the extensions and find the extension for Facebook Container. So Facebook Container. There we go. And here it is, Facebook Container. So you can now click this and install it. It's only available for Firefox, and you will have a little icon here that's going to tell you in the address bar that you're actually running the Facebook container, so you can stay maybe a little safer by keeping Facebook away from whatever else you're going to do on your computer. The other thing that is available is that there are some new scenarios where they've actually improved some of the security if you have video calls from within the browser. And also they are actually removing some of the changes is they've disabled TLS 1.0 and 1.1. A lot of browsers have done that. These are old protocols for the secure layer, and they are now replaced with much better and improved security on that. So that's why they removed that. And of course, a big list of security fixes. So if you want to make sure you have the latest browser, simply go in the upper right corner, go into About Firefox. And if you're not at 74 already, it's going to actually move you to 74. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.